This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jennifer Booker. Amazing Exeter model in the desirable neighborhood of Cascades. This 2-bedroom plus den home features an open floor plan with the main living room and dining room open to the kitchen and eat-in kitchen area. The second bedroom has its own private wing for your guests. Updates to the home include roof replacement in 2011, new air conditioner in 2020, new water heater 2021, new refrigerator 2020, plantation shutters, all accordion shutters for hurricane protection. The kitchen was updated 2 years ago with white quartz, white 42 inches cabinets and new backsplash. The washer and dryer are only 2 years and a brand new garage door. This home is truly move-in ready with tile throughout the living areas and new carpets in the bedrooms. Cascades boasts a remodeled club, shows, pool, fitness center, tennis and more. The cafe offers breakfast and lunch. Cascades is a non-equity community, is like a 5-star resort, adjoining Westchester Golf Course. The clubhouse recently underwent an extensive renovation. Maintenance includes exterior painting, roof cleaning, basic cable and high-speed internet. The association also replaces the sod if needed, recently done for this side of the community. Move right in and start living the dream. Seller needs a closing of March 1, 2022 or later. For more information, review the